ISOKO WHA DOO. Greetings to you, everybody. This my video, please. I want to teach us things we found in the kitchen. Please permit me. I want to use my language. Okay, I want to teach it with my language. English will come in, but little. Okay, I want to tell us how we call these things in ISOKO language, because most of us, we don't know how we call them. We don't know how to pronounce them. We don't know the name in ISOKO language. So that's what I want to teach us today. So quickly, let's go for the business of the day. Please, sorry, my video is not too clear. Manage it for me. Okay, thank you. Now, kitchen. ISOKO say kitchen, ukoli. Now, things we find in the kitchen. Things we find in the kitchen. Evare no married way. Eva ukoli. Now, kitchen ukoli. Pot. ISOKO say pot no. Ebero. Ebero. You know, we have different pots. Ma wogere ke ebero sa. Pot. We have pot we use to make starch. We have pot we use to making soup. Then we have kettle. Now understand this thing, please. Whether na kettle, whether na pot when you take the cook soup, whether na pot when you take the make starch, ISOKO say bobino ebero. Ebero. So this is how you differentiate it. Otaro no. Eberwemu, that is the pot you use in cooking soup, is called eberwemu. Pot, which the one you use in cooking soup, ISOKO say no eberwemu. Now kettle, marriage say no ebero, because most of all these things they confuse us well. Kettle, how do they call? If a pot is ebero, then kettle is what? Kettle is ebero. May not let anybody deceive you. Kettle, ebero, is the same ebero. Hello, not confuse your head. May not let anybody confuse you. It's the same thing, ebero. Now, we also have the pot you use in making starch. ISOKO person will call that one eberozi. Eberozi na some. Go and bring the pot of starch for me, the pot I use in making starch. So please, kitchen ukoli, pot ebero, kettle ebero. Do you understand this thing now? Now let's move forward. Knife, aga. Knife, aga. Maybe you want to say small knife. Amaga. Amaga. But the correct pronunciation of it is aga. That is knife. Aga. Then plates. Omode. Plates. Omode. Basin. Ode. Basin. Ode. Plates. Omode. Then share. Akbala. Akbala, that is small share. But if it's big share, I say no agbara. Whether it's bench, even if it's bench, akbala. So let's understand that blend. Soup. Soup is zero. Is zero soup. Food. Emu. Fita. Oyeye. Fita. Oyeye. Drum. The drum you store your water. ISOKO say no. Ote. Otame. Ote. Hayo otame. You understand? Because drum, anything drum, ISOKO they pronounce an ote. So when you want to be specific, if it's drum of water, you say otame. Then spoon. Ugeji. Whether na big spoon or whether na small spoon, Ugeji. If you want to tell the person to bring you small spoon, ugejo sese some. Bring me the small spoon. Reho ugeji osese some. If it's big spoon, ugeju lobo. How you ugejizo? When you want to say ugejizo, that means the spoon, the big spoon you use to ditching your food. Ugejizo. Ugeju lobo, big spoon. Small spoon, ugejo sese. So spoon is ugeji. Then soap, oda. You know, normally now you must wash plate now, and a sponge and soap you take a wash plate for kitchen. So soap, oda. Soap, oda. Sponge, uzi. Sponge, uzi. U-Z-I. Uzi. Sponge, uzi. Then native pot. In those days, even now, most of us we still have that native pot in our house. Native pot. Oye marisino umuwo. Uwo. Now let me bring your mind back. In this pot, marisino eberu abi. What side you say no? Uwo. Yes, pot is also known as uwo. Uwo izuo. Just as it's pronounced as eberemu, it's also pronounced in ISOKO as uwemu. Now that small one we use in warming soup, like if we often put that one for fire, if you don't hot, it gets soup when that one they make sense pass. So maybe banga soup. Oh yeah. Hey, what you chef here? That one is called umugo. That's the native pot. Umugo. Then grande stone. Grande stone. That grande stone mariseno uto. Anything stone. Owisokore seno uto. Now you want to be specific. Grande stone. Uto izuo. Uto izuo. Now most of you will ask me, what about blender? Because now, hello, now blender come up. Is it not so? A blender na wa betana be greble fie na blender. Okay, ma usoko ma o ma bi se na blender ajo blender no jori ajo. So filter. Sorry, I'm trying to say blender. Blender in those days we don't know anything concerning blender. Now granny stone we dey use. Even till now, most of us still use the granny stone. Granny stone is what we call utoizuo. Now, mortar. Mortar. Orisokore seno udo. 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 Then onisho konore jeru yena. Oyo uruhu. Uru. Are soyena. Awomai. Mirono are no marerwe eva uru koli. Ona. These are the things we can find in the kitchen. And my next video, I'm going to give us food stuffs, the names of food stuffs, or yes, food stuffs. No, most of us, especially our children now, we don't know the names, like all those food stuffs, food spices. I mean to say spices, food spices and food stuffs and all those things. Most of us don't know the names. We call them in ISOKO language. So in my next video, I'm going to teach us those ones. All right. Thank you. God bless you. Okay, next no white movie. White do. Uberu for marenya. Wajomako magbe. ISOKO enaro. ISOKO to the world.